Good morning everyone and welcome to my assembly. Now last week we were talking about nursery rhymes and we've had a few videos and photographs come in which we're going to show you now.
Beautiful. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, 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 go astray. It's fun.
Essa rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away. Come back again another day. Little Caleb wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Raining gets pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head. And he couldn't wake up in the morning. Not so high, like a diamond, it's not God. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I wonder what. And rain, go away, come again another day. Little bit wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Start.
Red and yellow and pink and green. Purple and orange. Orange and blue.
Yeah.
I can sing a rainbow. Sing a rainbow. Sing a rainbow tune. This is my weather song. It's a rainy, cloudy day, rainy, cloudy day. It's been spitting, drizzling and pouring. It's a rainy, cloudy day, rainy, cloudy day. Rain falling from the clouds in the sky. It's a rainy, cloudy day, rainy, cloudy rain. Downpour and soaking wet. It's a rainy, cloudy day, rainy, cloudy day. Let's stay indoors, nice and warm. It's a rainy, cloudy day, rainy, cloudy day. Weather song.
Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy?
I hope you had fun. Thank you for watching.
This week lots of you have been learning about the weather. Now, I love the sunshine, I love the rain, but at the moment we're thinking lots about rainbows, so I've got a poem for you all about a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue, indigo and purple are in there too. Shining brightly, way up high, I see a rainbow in the sky. Rain and sun work together, making it my favourite weather. Now I know that lots of you at home have been making your pictures of rainbows with your handprints or colouring them in or chalking outside in the garden. If you could send your photos in of those to us, then we'll put them up on display in school for all the children that are in school to see. Now, rainbows make us feel very happy, and I know that every time we have assembly on a Tuesday, we always sing a song. So today, if you're all ready to join in with me, we're going to do If You're Happy and You Know It. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, tap your knees. If you're happy and you know it, tap your knees. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, tap your knees. If you're happy and you know it, shout I am, I am. If you're happy and you know it, shout I am, I am. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout I am, I am. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. I am. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do all four. I am. Thank you for all joining in with If You're Happy and You Know It. Now I have the wow moments for this week, and I've got my special book with the wow moments in. This week, wow moments are going to Olivia and Rosie for singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Their video was beautiful. They sang it so nicely, which I'm sure you all saw. Next, we've got Gobind for singing Twinkle Twinkle, and also for his fantastic work on shape, and he's been matching shapes to the right word. We also have Isha for riding his new bike, and we have Leo for his capacity activity in the garden. Josh Hill sang Over the Rainbow, and he also learned how to do the actions to it. We have Theo for being kind to the other children, and we have Harris for role play in the garden. I've got a picture of Harris here doing his role play in the garden. Now finally we have Amber, and Amber has been very creative and been making Forky at home. And I'm going to leave you now with Forky, and I'll speak to you all next week.